Good morning everyone. Can you see me and can you hear me properly? I'm fine. How are you everyone? How are you? Good morning. Very good. First of all everyone, please turn off your camera. Please turn off your camera everyone. Debosmita, please turn off your camera. Very good. I'm fine, Ashmit. So, hope you all are fine, right? In these situations, you all are fine. So, let's start your EVS class. And today we will start the new chapter, Food We Eat. This is your 5th chapter and open the page number 31. Food We Eat. So, let's start this. Food is essential for all living things. Essential for all living things, right? So, you already learned about those living things. So, tell me, who are the living things? Tell me their examples of living things. Yes, Susan, this is Food We Eat, chapter 5, and food is essential for all living things. So, please tell me who are those living things. This is too easy. Very good, Ayush. Susan, Ayush, not only animals. Very good, Susan. Lisa, everyone. Ahanaf, please turn off your camera and microphone. Mute your microphone. Very good. So, now tell me everyone the example of living things. That is too easy. We already learned about it. Susan, please turn off your camera. Please off your camera. Very good, Ashmi. So that is animals, plants and humans, right? Animals, plants and humans. Susan. So, living things. We already learned about it. Living things. And their examples are animals, humans and plants. Animals, humans and plants. We are the living things because we need food. We eat food. Those three things eat food. They take breath. We humans and animals can move, but plants cannot move one place to another place. But they are also living things because they also take their food, they also make their food, they also take breath. That's why those things, those plants, animals and humans, those three things are the living things. Okay? Very good. Suzanne, Lisa, Shrestha, Ayush. And who is this 7047? Your name is not here. So, can you please tell me your name? Ahanaf, at every class you post your picture, but I can't see those things. Shankharai, please turn off your camera. Everyone, please turn off your camera. So that is those examples of living things, and we already know about it. And all living things need food to grow. It makes living things healthy and strong. So that's why we all need food, right? We all need food to live, to grow big, to become strong and healthy. So that's why we need food, and obviously we get energy from food, and we do many work and play and read also. So that is our work, and that's why we need energy, and that's why we have to take food properly. If you don't take your food properly, you won't be able to do your work properly, to do homework, to read, to play. You can't do anything properly. So that's why everyone take your food properly. And we all get all our food from plants and animals. We already learned about it at our science class, right? Because we get many things from plants like vegetables, fruits, food grains, those things. Yes, Susan, very good. It's okay, Purbayon, I just started the new chapter, food we eat. Very good, Lisa. Food is essential for health, obviously, and we all need food for those things. To grow big, to become strong, to be healthy, and to get energy. Those 5 things. Okay. So that's why we need food, and we get all our food from plants and animals. As you know, we get vegetables when we take. We collect those vegetables and we get this from any plants, like when we take those fruits, mango, watermelon, or any kind of fruit, jackfruit. So every grapes, those all fruits we get from plants, and those food grains, right? Our lunch, those chapati, we take the dinner, dal, many types of dal, those maize, those every food grains we get from plants. That is, those all things, vegetables, fruits and food grains we get from plants. And animals, from animals we also get many things, as you know, meat. We eat those meat, fish, egg and milk. So those all food, those types of food we get from animals, right? From the cow we get milk, right? And by those milk we made many things like butter, ghee, curd, kheer. So those all tasty food we made from milk, and we get egg, fish and meat also from animals. So those this is one type of cycle, you know. Those animals which who also eat food. Some animals hunt other animals and humans also, and some animals you learned about those herbivores, carnivores. Herbivores eat the plants, and the carnivore eats the other animals, other humans also. So that is one type of food cycle. Okay. So food, plants, animals and humans all are in this cycle, right? So that is we get from it. And here you can see at page number 31, here is the picture, right? So here 2 circle, one is oval. In this middle oval there are the picture of some foods, and those two circles, right circle and left circle, those the left circle you can see the picture of animals, right, picture of those animals, and that is a goat, picture of goat, picture of hen, and the picture of fish. So that is the animals, picture of animals, and from those animals we get meat, egg, fish and milk. From those things we get it. Okay, and on the right side you can see the picture of a food grain tree and food grain plant and a pumpkin, picture of pumpkin. You can see this. So that means that we get some food, some vegetables, some food grains, some fruits we get from plants. So from those two circles, here you can see these two circles, here is the source of our food, animal and the plant, that those two things are source of our food, and in this oval that is our food. So you have to tell me now what is in this oval, the name of those pictures which is in this middle picture, this oval. Tell me now. Yes, Shrestha, fruit is good for our health, but tell me, very good Ashmi, Susan, very good Shrestha. Yes, food gives us very good, but Kaushik, off your microphone. And everyone, yes, food gives us energy to do. But now tell me the name of those pictures. Susan, Shrestha, Lisa, I asked you everyone the name of those pictures. The name of those pictures. Tell me what are the name of those pictures. Which things you write here? Tell me the name of those pictures, because here some fruits, vegetables and some things which are in the picture, and you have to write their name. You have to tell me their name. Very good Ayush. That is the picture of egg, picture of milk, watermelon, grape, apple, grapefruit, nut, picture of nut and cucumber. Here some pictures which is in this oval. Which is in this oval? Can you see which is in this oval at page number 31? So you have to tell me their name, and after it you can see the why we need food. First one is in this picture, a small boy is playing and a small boy is reading books, because I told you food gives us energy and we can work, we can play for this energy, to use those energy. So that's why food gives us energy to work, to play. And the next picture you can see a boy is very strong. He is showing that he is very strong. So food helps us to stay healthy. Food helps us to stay healthy, because you all know, if we take the proper food, the good food habit, if we follow those good food habits, we will be healthy and we will be strong more. So that's why obviously avoid those junk food and follow the routine of the good food. And the next picture you can see food helps us to grow. I always told you take your food properly because food helps us to grow. If you don't take your food properly, you won't be grow up, right? You won't be grow up. So everyone take your food properly. Very good, Susan. Susan gave the proper answers of this picture. So here we will learn the importance of food and its source and obviously good food habits. So that's why we need food. You all know this. So now tell me why we need food. That is the questions for today. Why we need food. Today we will learn that why we need food and their source also. So first questions of today, you can write in your copy book why we need food. So can you tell me, anyone? Very good. We need food to grow, but not only grow. You have to tell me full answer, not only grow, because this answer is little big. We need food. We need food to grow big, to grow big, to live, not only grow big, Shrestha, to grow big, to live, to become strong, to become strong and healthy, to become strong and healthy, right? So that's why we need food. So here is your questions, why we need food, and the answer is we need food to grow big, to live, to become strong, and that's why we need food, okay? And we already learnt about the source of those food, right? We get food from plants and animals, and we get vegetables, fruits and food grains from plants, and meat, fish, egg and milk we get from animals. So that two are the source of our food. And obviously you already learned about the good food habit, right? Very good, Ashmit, Suzan, Kaushik, very good. You gave the correct answers. Everyone look their answer, that is very perfect. You can write and check the board. Check the board and you have to write these answers like that, okay? Very good, Shomagni. Very good, Shuzan. Yes, Ahana, very good. So that is the answers of those questions, and today we already learned about those food and which things we eat, about food, which things we eat, okay? So here we learned today that food is essential for our living things, and those living things are humans, animals and plants. And we all need food to live, to grow big, to become strong and healthy, and obviously to get energy. And we need food to get energy to work our any kind of work and to play. Obviously read, homework, all things are about to work. And we get food from animals and plants, from two things. So you have to write at your copy book that why we need food, these questions, and from and the source of the food. These questions. Okay. So that's all for today, everyone. Read this chapter very attentively. This is the new chapter. Maybe we know about this, but you have to read it again and obviously attentively, because you didn't read attentively. You didn't give the satisfied answer. Okay. So read this chapter very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.